Welcome back to Main Street Living. We are all broadcasting to you via our homes, and thanks for bearing with us with any bandwidth issues here, because we know that everybody is online these days, but we're so happy to bring you information and bring you this show. And everybody's online. We're also inside due to COVID-19. But have you ever wondered, guys, how clean your air might be inside?
Every day.
Yep. Yeah, every day. Quincy doesn't care. But our next guest actually says you should think about the air quality inside. And we want to introduce now, his name is Kevin Kramer with Bud's Plumbing, Heating, AC, and Electric. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hey, thanks for having me.
And so tell us, why should we care about the quality of our air inside? Why is this so important?
Well, we spend a great deal of time in our homes as it is. And currently, right now, we're spending a lot of time in our homes with a lot of people. So indoor air quality, the inside of your home can be up to anywhere from 5 to 100 times more polluted than the outdoor air.
Ooh, that's kind of scary to hear.
Jeez. Okay, wait. So, tell me more. What can I do to help improve my air quality inside?
Sure. I mean, one of the main things you can do is change your filter. Now, everybody has those little 1-inch filters that you get at the big box store, but you don't ever change them like you're supposed to until you call us.
Oh.
You hurry up and change it before we show up.
We know. I mean, if I had like the alert, like the Brita filters have, that would help me out. I need to know when to.
She just called you out.
One of the ways that you can actually improve your air quality right now is not just changing those filters, but having annual maintenance done. Your HVAC equipment needs to be cleaned on a regular basis.
Absolutely, Kevin. And I understand that your air purifiers actually have 3 different elements. Like, can you break those elements down to it?
Sure. I mean, other than just having the filter where you're pulling out the big things, the big particulates in the air, which would be like dust and dander and pet hair, the really microscopic stuff that gets through your system will go right through that filter, and that's the stuff you're breathing. So that's the stuff that you really don't want in the air, you want to get out. So we have devices that purify the air, not just filter them. I've got one here. This is just an example. And this device, which really looks scary, but it hooks into your heating and air conditioning system. It attacks those issues in 3 ways. And this is effective for things like mold, spores, pollen, which is a big problem right now, allergens, germs, bacteria, and viruses, as well as chemicals and odors. And it does it through a couple different processes. One, it's got an ionizer in it, and that's going to charge those little particulates positively and negatively, so they attract to each other, they clump together, and those larger particles your filter can now pick up. So that takes those out of the air. Secondly, it's got a UV light. It's got 2-band UV light in it. UV light's used to kill bacteria and viruses and other organic compounds. And then it works together through a system called photocatalytic oxidation, which sounds really cool. What that really does is it alters the molecular structure of those molecules, those pollutants that come through the air.
And this is so cool. This is so cool to hear. I'm sure our viewers want to learn a lot more about this. Where can they go to learn more?
Sure. If you go to our website at budsusa.com, there's actually a video on there now, and you can call us and we can come out and take a look and see what will work best in your home to purify your air.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Kevin, for all that information. Now, from cleaner lungs and cleaner breathing all the way to staying healthy when it's most important. You guys stay with us. We'll be right back.
Stay up to date with COVID-19 at the Center for Disease Control's website. That's cdc.gov. Stay informed, stay at home, stay healthy.